Welcome to Emerging Markets of Finance. Now this course is a fairly new course. It's only the second time that it's been offered. And it's really important to have the right expectations going into the course. First thing and foremost, this is a corporate finance course. It's not an investment course. You want to learn how to select securities for investment in emerging markets or portfolio strategies in emerging markets, then I recommend that you take international investment, which I also teach. This course, on the other hand, focuses on the corporate finance side of emerging markets. And perhaps one of the most important aspects of this is project valuation, firm valuation, and issues such as calculating the cost of capital. We'll spend an extensive amount of time detailing how to create value in emerging markets investment. And you'll be introduced to the sort of calculators for cost of capital that I have developed on a proprietary basis and that are widespread in terms of use in industry. Now, one thing that is also extremely important is that you understand the time commitment that's necessary for this course. Last year, students spent approximately 15 hours a week on this course, which is far above what you usually spend on an elective course. Now, what did they spend their time on? It turns out there's one major thing that you've got to do in this course, and that is write a case. Now, in most courses you do cases, and this is not what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about me handing out a Harvard Business School case and you doing a write-up, though we do that also. What I'm talking about is you writing a case from scratch. And this case should be the same quality as an HBS case. And indeed, if you check my webpage, you can see evidence of what students have done in the past, and you can see exactly what is produced. I put you on the other side of it. You're used to doing cases, and now what you've got to do is to develop something unique, something that has a cool learning experience encapsulated within it. This takes a lot of time, and you have to start immediately. So hopefully you're watching this video before classes actually begin, because you need to form a group now. You need to identify at least 2 potential case situations. You need to get on the phone. You need to be able to start to collect information via FedEx or email or fax, because there is not much time. You basically have 5 weeks from now. Everything needs to be done in 5 weeks, and then the last couple of lectures, the case presentations will be made. This is the bulk of what you have to do in this course. It's 75% of the grade. The other 25% is participation and actually kind of warming up on a few emerging markets cases that have been produced from Harvard. So as I say, this is a very unique course. It's a unique experience, and I think that it is a valuable one. Emerging markets, everybody knows, have their great ups and downs. We saw a crash in emerging markets occur in July 1997, and we saw amazing returns that followed after that. So there's great risk, but in finance, of course, we know that where there's risk, there's potentially large expected returns. So I think that we focus on that and on the value creation metrics that we develop in this course in the corporate finance context.